Okay, and cheers! Hope you had something to drink and that you are ready for our next video, which is on overcoming procrastination. Video number 2 from overcoming procrastination. We're looking at the one that think that they are lazy. So you probably clicked on this one because people tell you that you are lazy, right? So we're going to change it and we're going to prove them wrong. So let's start identifying yourself. You're the kind of person whose room is a little bit of a mess, but you know where everything is. You call it structured chaos, right? Your table is not necessarily where you like to sit and work. Your books are on it, but you don't like studying there because you catch yourself on your cell phone or thinking about something better to do when you're sitting at your table. You also study about 1 or 2 days before a test because you think that you study better when you study at the last moment. Not necessarily. You study faster, but not necessarily better. Okay, then also sameness to you is boring. So if you have to say you are going to practice something or your teacher tells you to practice something, it just flies out the window. You don't like that word. It's a swear word to you. So let's look at your strengths. Your strengths are you like a change of environment, you like a challenge, you can think on your feet, you're a brilliant problem solver. Oh gosh, I can tell you a story. If somebody is sitting in the car driving that are very organized and you are sitting as a passenger and the organized and rule kind of person makes a small accident, you can actually, when the accident happens, you can get out and stay calm and go and see what happens, right? So you are someone that can think on your feet. So you are also someone who likes to solve problems out of previous experience. So remember that one, previous experience, because remember you don't like the word practice. I'm going to help you with that one. Now the most important thing I want to tell you is stop saying you are lazy. Okay, I want you to start thinking in terms of yourself as someone who gets started and then you struggle to stop. Isn't that true? Once you get started, you struggle to stop. So the problem is not that you are lazy. The problem is that you struggle to get started. So I'm going to teach you how to get started. All right. So how do you overcome procrastination? When you feel that you can't get started, your starting energy is important. Change your places where you are sitting. Even in a cafeteria, if you're an extrovert, you can sit in a cafeteria and work. Even sit on your bed, sit on the floor, sit outside. Sit somewhere where you feel you have the energy to get started. Then the word practice. I want you to change that word for yourself. Rather say to yourself that you like to challenge yourself or you want to test yourself if you can do it. Because remember, here comes the word experience. You like to solve problems out of previous experience. So how can you solve a problem out of previous experience if you don't have the experience? So go and sit down on another place from where you studied the theory and go and see if you can do it. Challenge yourself. You're good at that. Then when you take breaks, guys, us and breaks, yeah, I'm like that as well, eh? You can hear that. So if you struggle to take a break, it's probably because you are taking a mind break. So take body breaks. Now body breaks are like have a cup of coffee, yeah, that's mine, and have a brisk walk, go and eat something, go and shower. That is your kind of break. It is a body break. A mind break is going onto social media, Pinterest, TikTok. Yeah, I saw my daughter do that last night. Okay, so she struggled to get started studying again. So it's important for you guys to make sure that you don't go on a new journey of your mind. You're a journey kind of person, which means you enjoy the journey of doing something rather than the deadline. So if you get started, stay on your journey. Now, that was me and how to overcome procrastination. But hey, wait, what if I went on a break? How do I get started again? Guys, don't close your books. Don't close your laptop if you take a break. If you do that, you are stopping the journey. So put your book in an irritating place so that when you come back from your break, you are back at your work and you see that this is the journey that you were busy with. So those who were thinking that they are not procrastinators and listening to this now, we're going to get you next. See you with a third one.